Okay, so I'm going to test my water and test the heat and see if yes, it's way over. So, but it is just right. I'm gonna now take my oil blend, all of these oils. Excuse me. All right, here's my oil. I'm gonna just mix it up while it is hot. I'm going to add, let's see, if I were to do this. Okay, I'm trying to get a perfect thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add my vitamin E in it again because it has to do with my skin. I'm going to put, this is 0.5. Oh, it's a little bit over. All right, so here is my vitamin E oil. I'm going to drop in this, and I'm going to shake this because good. Alrighty, and I'm going to further go ahead and mix. Make sure this is mixed well. So this is my cleanser, my oil facial cleanser from an oil makeup remover. All right, so here I want to show you what I did here. I got this container. Right? Let me find. And put this on here. I got this container from the store, and what I did get some cotton pads, big ones. It's all mix of, mixture of different cotton pads, and I am going to add my oil right here in this container, and this is what I'm going to clean my do my makeup remover right here. So I'm going to pour my liquid, right? I'm pouring my cleanser, oil cleanser on this liquid, and I'm just going to keep it in here. I made a little bit too much of the oil cleanser and makeup remover, so do have a lot in here. That's still okay. Yeah. So I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to show you how effective this cleanser is. This is very effective. Now I have a whole bag left. This is just for home. I'm not selling this, but if you need it, I mean, I can definitely sell it to you or teach you how to make your own makeup remover. I mean, I tell you, if you can do this for yourself, you don't have to pay too much money. I'm going to show you. I have a lipstick right here, right? And I am going to put this lipstick on my hand, and I am going to use the makeup remover to get this lipstick off. All right, so here I am. I'm going to go right into the oil is still hot. That's fine. It's a lot. This is really soaked. I don't need all that, so I will try to see. You can always do this. Take some, because you don't want to use all of your oil. Get some out. Save it. Why waste all that? All right. Oh, this is hot. Now, here you go. Are you ready? I'm going to sweep this off. See? gone, right? So this is what it does. This is a makeup remover. See, it took off the lipstick, and that's how it is going to remove your makeup. Look on the pad, see? So, and the reason why it's good to use a oil, oh, and once you wash it, it turns into, oh my, you have water over there? I just want to demonstrate a little bit. Let me use a little bit of your water. So my mom, this is my mom's water. I just want to show you what's going to transpire. All right, so I have water here. And once you use it on this, it turns into soap. See? It turns into that little soap. It's not as much. And this is what the Olive 300 does, and the isopropyl. The isopropyl, what it does, it has that velvet, so it's not like really oily on your skin. So, and that's what it's going to do. It'll clean your face, clean it really, really nicely. So